What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Alright guys, before we start the video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. For some reason, I don't know why, only 30% of people that watch the videos are subscribed. 70% are not, so you guys are just lurking out there, man. Just hit the subscribe button, it doesn't take that long. That way you guys stay tuned for the new videos and you guys know when the new ones are coming out. And alright guys, it's time to choose a giveaway winner, so we're just gonna do it really quick on random with the phone. I didn't have time to put it in the computer system, so let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. If you guys did it correctly, we got a lot of comments here, so let's go ahead. I'm just gonna go random here and right there. Troconas 702, you are the winner. So Troconas 702, make sure you message me, send me a DM with your shirt size, and I'll go ahead and send it out to you. Congratulations. So I'm gonna be doing more giveaways. I reached 14,000 subscribers, so I think we're just gonna start doing bigger giveaways. Stay tuned for the end of the video where I'm gonna tell you what the next giveaway will be. Enjoy the rest of this video. Alright guys, today we're going to continue working on Caesar's truck right here. We're going to be installing a backup camera. I installed the backup camera on my other truck, and a lot of you guys left me questions down below that you guys wanted a deep tutorial, I guess, of how to install a backup camera in your vehicle. So we're going to show you in this truck right here. So just follow along. This is the camera system we went with. I'm going to leave a link in the description below from Amazon. This thing was like 20 bucks, so it's a good cheap alternative to like the OEM stuff, and it works perfect. And it works for any application. It just gets bolted onto the license plate right here. Comes with that. It comes with all our wiring that we need and our power. So I'll show you exactly how to run everything. We're gonna grab the power and the trigger from the reverse light bulb right here. We're gonna start with removing this area here so we can run our RCA here all the way to the back. So we only need to tap into this and the trigger behind the radio too. So Caesar here.
Yes, sir.
It's a little sweaty there. It's a hot day today here in California for some reason. This whole weekend's been really hot, so we're working out here. So on this particular F150, all we have to do is remove this trim right here, remove the two bolts here. Usually there's a bolts on the other side of this too, but because we put our knobs here, nothing right there. So once that gets removed, remove this side, pop this side and this side out, and then we should be able to remove the front.
That's from the bottom. Yeah,
There we go.
I was thinking,
What?
so with this,
No, it should just be able to pop out. It's not being held on by no bolts, so just literally, yeah, there you go. There you go. You don't have to take it off completely, just like.
okay, where are these connectors?
Yeah, take this one off.
You want me to turn off the truck?
Nah, that's your fine.
I can see. I have to push something or what?
Yeah. There you go. I think I should be able to reach it right there, hopefully. Alright, I'm just gonna pull out the radio, because we gotta tap into the wire harness behind it. Reverse in, so into this little brown plug right here. Just gonna plug that in, and then this other side is gonna go to your reverse trigger, which is gonna trigger your radio to actually turn on every time you hit the reverse on the gear. So this is actually going to connect it to your original not original, to your wire harness that we made. This one right here should have a little tab that says reverse gear signal input. So this one's going to be connected to that, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and probably solder these real quick, and then we can start running the rest of our wire all the way to the back. So this is the other end from the other wire that has another little red pigtail there, and then this is the one that goes from the little actual power wire. So you're going to connect the reds together, and then this black one's going to be to a ground in the back, and both of these are going to be wired up to your reverse light. And then this little plug to the camera plug. That's it. And then we just clean up all the wiring. So let's head to the rear of the truck, take out the tail light, solder these together, and connect everything, test everything out, and then just clean up all the wiring. Alright, so Caesar removed the tail light here. We're going to be tapping into, like I said, the reverse wire here. I'm assuming black is ground and this blue and white is the trigger, the power wire. So we got to run our wires from inside of the cab here, under the bottom, and all the way to the stereo. So everything's in the same hole that we used for the amp in the earlier video. That drilled down, goes down. We're gonna zip tie it all the way to the bottom. And then here, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet. I might have to run it through the frame rail, or I don't know yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pinzas over there.
These red ones?
No, the blue ones. On top of the dash right there. Alright, so since this is our power wire here, we're going to use one of these. Same thing, it's a quick disconnect, so if we ever have to take it off, we can easily. It just goes on there and it crimps it. Like that. So now we have power there. We're going to go ahead and test everything, so we're going to connect. This is the type of connector you have on both those reds. The one coming from the camera and the other one coming from the other wire. So we're gonna connect it together here. Okay. Now we just need our ground and we're all set. We can test everything to see if it works. The ground, I can connect it to the other ground of the taillight, but I always like to sand a little bit of here on the body and just connect it onto there with the ring terminal. Alright, so we're gonna add one of these little ring terminals, put it over. Nice and secure, it ain't going anywhere. And then just find any spot like here. Here's a good spot. So we gotta clean that area. Yeah, so we're gonna grab our little wire wheel. Just a little spot anywhere. As long as we have some bare metal right there. And we're gonna put our screw in. Right there. Bam. Alright, let's go ahead and test everything out. So let's connect everything to our camera. Alright. Alright, Caesar, get in the truck. Test everything out and then just lighten everything up. Alright, so when Caesar sets the car in reverse right now, turn it on, it should trigger it and turn this automatically. Go for it. Bam! Yes, there we we go. Everything's working, so time to button everything up and we're all done.
So the music still plays or what?
Yeah, try it. It should continue playing while you're reversing. Okay. Most trucks have these little holes here, which is really convenient for zip tying stuff. Go. There you go. Stretch it more, estírale. There you go.
Should we get right there? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me the pinzas right there. The only issue I feel like we're gonna have is over there by the wheel, because I don't know where we're gonna be able to do that. What do you need? More zip ties?
I'm trying to figure out where's the other one.
Okay, so that's why we have to get up. Get up and let's see where we're gonna put it over there.
Put you up, huh?
Nah, I'm good.
Oh.
Alright, I finished wiring, or better yet, running the wires. I ran it behind the rail here, up until here, and then we got Caesar down here.
Shoes and yeah. So,
You finished?
yeah, you have any zip ties?
You got more? You need more?
What?
I gave it to you.
You didn't?
Yeah, it did. I'll give you more.
Oh, they're behind me. La vida que vivo yo.
There you go. Zip tie everything like nice and neat down there, so there's nothing hanging. Because this is done over here. They're behind you too. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't. Remember, only 30% of you guys are subscribed, so I don't know why. So hit the subscribe button. It doesn't take too long. I'm going to be going to Topete Mufflers tomorrow, which is Saturday the 11th. I will be there probably early, between 8 and 9 a.m. If you guys want to wake up early and stop by just to say what's up, I'm going to be there in Riverside. I'm going to be removing the Carven R mufflers. They're way too loud. I'm going to go ahead and test some mufflers there to see what the difference is. I want it to sound mean still, but obviously when the cutouts are closed, I do want it to sound a little bit quieter. My neighbors are getting mad already. I can't even take out the truck. So I'm going to announce the next giveaway. So I'm going to start doing bigger giveaways. I know right now I've just been doing t-shirts and stickers and stuff like that. So next giveaway I'm going to be doing is going to be giving away my Carven R that is on my truck. So I'm going to be giving away a Carven R exhaust. So if you guys, but for this particular giveaway, I'm going to be doing anybody who cops a sticker. So make sure, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Go on to projectvc.com, cop a sticker, and you're automatically entered for a giveaway for the Carven R exhaust. So it's one of the best exhausts in my opinion, but they're too loud for me because after the cam and after the long tube headers, it's just way too loud. So make sure you guys enter the giveaway. Again, you got to cop a sticker, so anybody that cops a sticker, I'm going to put your name on a list, and I'll give you guys a couple months to tally those up, and after that, I'll go ahead and send you out the Carven R exhaust. So make sure you guys enter if you guys want your trucks, and the Carven R exhaust goes on to any type of truck. It doesn't have to be a Silverado. So if you guys have a Tundra, F150, Nissan Titan, whatever it might be, it'll work for any application. So make sure that you guys enter. So cop your sticker, and I'll go ahead and add you on the list. So that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.
Met a limitation, hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my